Dear viewers, welcome to our online class. I am Mohammad Anwar Hossain, Assistant Teacher, Mathematics, Islamabad Collegiate School, Khulna. Today, we are going to practice one creative question from chapter 3 in class 6. Here is a creative question. M equals this and n equals this. A number, find the value of 64 divided by 4 of 2 minus 1 multiplied by 2. Solution A, 64 divided 4 of 2 minus 1 multiplied 2. 64, here division symbol and of symbols. According to Bodmer's formula, we calculate first of 4 of 2, that means 4 multiplied 2, that is 8 minus 1 multiplied 2. 64 divided by 8, this is 8 minus 1 multiplied 2. 8 minus 1 multiplied 2, this is 2. 8 minus 2, this is 6 answer. Now solution B. Put the relation symbol between M and N. Given M equal minus 5 plus minus 3 plus 2 divided 2 minus 6, 3 minus 6, and N equal 15 minus second bracket, first bracket 6 divided 3 of 2 plus 5 minus 2. Second bracket closed, minus 3 divided 3. Now M equal minus 5 plus minus 3 plus 2 divided 2 minus 6, 3 minus 6. So minus 3 plus 2 divided 2, this is 1. 6, 3 minus 6, this is minus 3. Minus 5 plus minus 3 plus 1, this is minus 2. Minus into minus plus 6 into 3, this is 18. Minus 5 plus or minus a minus 2 plus 18. Minus 5 and minus 2, this is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 18. equal 18 minus 7 equal 11. So value of m equal 11. Again m equal 11 and n equal this is 15 minus second bracket 6 divided, here division symbol and off symbol, so off symbol is first, 3 of 2 that means 6 plus 5 minus 2 this is 3 minus 3 divided 3, 15 minus 6 divided 6 this is 1, 1 plus 3 minus 3 divided 3, 1 plus 3 this is 4 minus 3 divided 3, 15 minus 4 minus 3 divided 3 this is 1 equal 15 minus 4 and minus 1 this is minus 5 equal 10. 15 minus 5 equal 10. M equal 11 and n equal 10. Here 11 is greater than 10. So m equal 11 and n equal 10. 11 is greater than 10. So m is greater than n. This is the relation symbols between m and n. This is answer. Now solution C. Solution C. M plus n. Here m equal minus 5 plus minus 3 plus 2 divided 2 minus 6, 3 minus 6. Minus 3, 2 divided 2, this is 1. 3 minus 6, this is minus 3. Minus 5, this is minus 2. Minus plus 18. Minus 5 plus into minus, this is minus 2 plus 18. Minus 7 plus 18 equal 18 minus 7, this is 11. M equal 11. Again, n equal 15 minus 6 divided 3 of 2 plus 5 minus 2, second bracket closed, minus 3 divided 3. 15 minus 3 of 2, that means 6. 5 minus 2, this is 3. 3 divided 3 minus 6 divided 6, this is 1. 1 plus 3 minus 3 divided 3. 15 minus 1 plus 3, this is 4, minus 3 divided 3, this is 1. 15 minus 4 and minus 1, this is minus 5. 10. M equal 11 and n equal 10. So m plus n equal m equal 11 plus n equal 10. So this is 21 answer. Similarly, m minus n, m equal 11 minus n equal 10. 1 answer. Dear students, if you feel any problem, please comment us. Next class we will give your answer. Thanks to all.